Applications are expected to be fast. Users expect pages to load instantly, actions to complete without a delay, and services to be available all the time. But when an application crashes, what's really happening behind the scenes? Behind every user action is a whole stack of moving parts: frontend, backend, databases, and APIs. One bottleneck, and everything slows down. That's where Application Performance Monitoring, or APM, comes in. APM is a set of tools and practices that help developers and IT teams understand how an application behaves in the front end and back end. What does APM do? It collects detailed performance data from across your application stack. That includes everything from database query times to memory usage, error rates, and transaction traces. The goal is to monitor, detect, and diagnose performance issues before they affect users. How does application performance monitoring work? APM tools typically use instrumentation, lightweight agents or SDKs integrated into your application. These agents record the performance of different components. For example, when a user sends a request, the application performance monitoring tool captures a trace of that request as it travels through the system, from the front-end server through the application logic into a database query and back again. Each step is measured. If something's slow, say an SQL query takes a few seconds, you can pinpoint the exact location in the trace. This is called distributed tracing, and it lets you pinpoint exactly where things are slowing down. Key metrics: the golden signals. Most application performance monitoring tools track what are known as the golden signals of monitoring. Latency: the time it takes your application to respond to a request. Traffic: the volume of requests your app handles, often measured in requests per second. Errors: the rate of failed or problematic requests, anything from 500 errors to failed validations. Saturation: a measure of system load or resource usage, showing how close your infrastructure is to hitting its limits. Many tools also include the Apdex score, which gives a quick snapshot of user satisfaction based on response time thresholds. More advanced APMs offer features like real user monitoring, anomaly detection, and alerting systems that help teams catch and respond to performance issues as they happen. Why do we need application performance monitoring tools? Why does it matter? Without APM, teams would rely solely on logs, and tracing a single request often requires specialized knowledge, hunches, and trial and error. With APM, the problem of satisfying a problematic request and tracing its entire lifecycle is made easier, saving time in debugging. Site24x's APM. Site24x's APM gives you end-to-end visibility, from front-end performance to back-end dependencies. With features like distributed tracing, real user monitoring, anomaly detection, and proactive alerts, it helps you find and fix issues before they impact your users. Whether you're troubleshooting a slow query or monitoring hundreds of services at scale, Site24x7 has the data to back you up. And who benefits? Whether you're a developer optimizing code, a QA validating fixes, or an ops team maintaining uptime, APM helps you do your job better. In short, application performance monitoring isn't just about uptime. It's about delivering a smooth, reliable experience for your users. Whether you're debugging, scaling, or just staying ahead of your problems, APM is essential for any modern software system. Want to learn more about how monitoring works across the full stack? Subscribe to this channel for more educational content. Thank you.